So this word, the first one here is reconcile. That is a verb. And so what that means is that is something that is done. It's an action. The action form here means to find a way that two ideas, situations, or facts can be true or acceptable. So it means that something has become okay. They've reconciled means they've made it so that it's not a problem. And it's not just people that reconcile, right? So I can reconcile with my friend, right? So I will actually type that up here. Don't know why that background is so weird, but Ms. Cool. Ms. Hain reconciled with her friends after they fought over whose dress was nicer. So you can say reconciled, which means that in this example, the Miss Hain reconciled with her friends after they fought over whose dress was nicer. That means that they got back together, right? She got back together with her friends and the reason that they were not in agreement is because they were fighting over whose dress was nicer. Okay? But not just people can do reconciling. So, for example, the movie reconciled all the conflict um, at the end of the film so that viewers didn't have any questions. So, what this means is that the movie is making it so that there are no more conflicts, right? It's making sure that all of the conflicts are true or acceptable, meaning like it's made it fine, right? It's made it so that it's consistent. So that the ideas, the conflict, right? The conflict is the thing that needs reconciling, because if it's kind of like a cliffhanger, if you don't reconcile or make the conflict all acceptable, like it's all done, then you're going to have a cliffhanger. So the movie reconciled all of the conflict so that the viewers didn't have any questions about what happened at the end of the movie. Now, the other definition or the other use of this word is reconciliation. And that's a noun, so that's the actual thing of reconciling. So, reconciliation is a situation where two people, countries, groups, etc., become friendly with each other after quarreling. So you can say, um, we'll say the US engaged in reconciliation with its enemy, Germany, after the war, so that neither country would suffer too much. So, what this is saying here is that the United States actually engaged in the process of making sure two things are okay. If you can think about it, reconciliation and reconcile is all about making sure that everything now works together. So in this case, Miss Hain reconciled with her friends. She's making sure that all of her friends now can work together. In this case, the movie is reconciling the conflict so all of the story works together. In this case, the United States is reconciling or engaging in reconciliation with Germany so that the countries can work together. So reconciliation is where there's no more conflict and everything has been resolved.